fabulous pina-expat in Malta here. And Fabs, we were lost. We were going to 𝓨𝓚 cave, but accidentally we saw this sign, Calypso cave. So it's on the other side actually. So, well, we will try what's in here. I want to see Calypso cave, if what this place can offer. Tara guys, let's explore. I hope it is open now because of the pandemic. Hopefully it's open, but it seems that it's quiet. We will see. There are trees, green, there are olives, not that much, but oh, I think there is, oh no, there's a nice view from here, and wow, that's overlooking sandy beach, the red sand. It's called ramblabeach, yeah, if I'm not mistaken. So guys, the cave is unfortunately closed. So there's nothing except a breathtaking view of the picturesque ramblabeach, and also the valley view, which is also really fascinating. It's wow, it's beautiful. So I'm not gonna take long here because I still need to go to the other side where there is the talmixta, if I pronounce it correctly, 𝓨𝓚 cave. I think that one, it doesn't close that one, but I think there is a reason why they close this place, this cave. It could be due to rock instability, so there is no access to Calypso cave. So most probably the reason that's why they shut the place. Well, to make it up for it, we'll just enjoy the beautiful scenery. Okay, my fabulous. See that? Well, I was just took a zoom for where we going later to that 𝓨𝓚 cave. So, well, enjoy na lang tayo guys sa view ng ramblabeach and the valley. my fab, we're on our way to talmixtacave cave. This is the other side where we were. Hopefully the place won't be crowded. So mukhang ito na nga yung hinahanap natin. My fabulous. So ito na nga yung ayan kasi may mga tao. So I think that's the way to the cave. Mukhang maraming tao, guys. I think it's better if we just wait here until they go out. It's magic, wala nang tao. So we can go inside the cave and enjoy the view.
매력적인 입술 네가 내게 말을 걸 때마다 내 기분은 higher Girl what's your desire 네 심장은 paradise